to our respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, my dear friends, and all of our alumni. I extend a warm welcome to all of you for the Back to the Roots session. Our guest for today's Back to the Roots session is sincere, quiet, intelligent, and hardworking Gopal Saraugi. Gopal was a part of school council member as a Blue House sports captain. He was good in the field of sports and has won medals in 100-meter sprint, relay, long jump, and also participated in NISA DSO. He was a part of school's taekwondo team. In 10th board exams, he scored 4 A star and 2 A. Currently, he is doing chartered accountancy. He has cleared his first level with all India rank 43 in November 2019 exams. Now he is preparing for second level CA Inter, which are going to be held this November 2020. Let us all extend a warm welcome to Gopal Saraugi.
Welcome, Gopal. We are so proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gopal, we have prepared one small video of your school memories. So can we watch that video?
Yes, ma'am, I would love to watch that.
Okay. Priyanka ma'am, can we have the video, please?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Gopal, did you like the video?
Yes, ma'am, I remember, and all the moments were very nostalgic also.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us begin with some few questions. I'm going to ask you a few questions. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay, so first question, how do you feel to be a part of this program?
I feel very honored and happy that I am chosen to be here, and
Okay,
very much looking forward for this session also from since the PRMM coordinated me.
okay. So you're so excited for this session.
Exactly, ma'am.
Okay, so what are your future plans and how are you preparing for it?
As of now, I entered in the finance field, so I'm not really figured out what eventually I want to do, but yes, something in finance field also. I'm currently doing chartered accountancy, so it will help me to achieve what I want.
Okay, so how is going on your preparation for your second level of CA exam?
It is going good.
Okay, it is going good. Okay. So, what you would like to hear about, like, we would like to hear about your journey after you left the school. How was your journey after you left the school till now?
The journey after the school was like a roller coaster for me because of the 10th results I got in my English U grade. First of all, I was there in KC College for 11th grade. Then, because of the U grade, I was asked to leave the Mumbai University basically because there were some issues with that. So after that, I joined NIOS University, in which I cleared. Then after that, I was deciding what should I do, and it was like June, and I was planning to go with ACC and CA, but I was confused between them. And for CA, it was like all my peers have started preparations from
Yeah.
March and April itself, and I was going to start from mid of June, so it was difficult for me to decide whether to do or not. But I thought I should do it, and I did it. And in November, I scored All India rank 43. And
Wow,
later that,
congratulations.
and later, I'm now currently pursuing my second language.
Okay, so anybody would like to add on this?
I think this is simply superb.
Yes.
Fantastic. We have
Thank you, ma'am.
actually into such a huge achievement. Gopal, this is
Yes.
what matters in life. You had faced a difficult situation which could have broken someone, but it's your mindset and it's your zeal which can either break you or make you. And I'm
In
so
fact, the past result was agony for me to achieve what I achieved.
That's great. You are an inspiration for everybody. And what
Yes.
you have achieved, the 43rd rank, all India level, it is truly commendable. You have made
Thank
all
you,
of us
ma'am.
so proud.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
As your
Okay.
teacher, as your principal, we all are feeling ecstatic to know how you are progressing in life.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
So congratulations, Gopal, for that. We all are very proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good to know.
So, okay. So what are the activities, co-curricular activities, achievements that you remember from the school time?
As we know, Ram Ratna is very much known for his co-curricular activities apart from academics, also like swimming, we have skating, taekwondo, and other so many activities, you name it. So it was very good to have those activities, and it's really good that we have experienced that, but not every student get to experience such things.
Yes. Yes.
So we were very few of the handpicked students who got to experience such great,
Okay.
immense things.
Yeah. Do you still cherish those memories?
Of course, man, those are the gems. Those are true gems of our childhood.
Okay. So, please share your experience as the sports captain of Vayavya House. How was your experience as a sports captain?
It was very much exciting also because you get to hang out with the senior students as well, because generally because they are in different grades, there's not much time to hang out with them. But since we were all those who all are council members, we used to sit together and chat. So sitting together with senior students was also like, nourishing for us also. We get to
Yes,
learn things from them, leadership skills and all.
yes, yes, yes. So we get to learn leadership skill, and in Ram Ratna International School, everybody will get an opportunity to learn some or other new things. As today, I'm doing this one. I'm doing I'm hosting some program for the first time. So this is what the speciality of Ram Ratna International School. Everybody will get an opportunity to showcase their talent. So
Yes,
for
ma'am, I
that,
can vouch for that.
thankful to our principal, ma'am, Dr. Jayan.
Nishita, my connection just broke. Did you say something?
Yes, ma'am. He was telling that as a sports captain, he has learned so many skills like leadership skills and all those things. So even I
True.
was sharing my experience because I'm hosting the event for the first time. So this is also I got to learn from Ram Ratna only. So that is what I was sharing with him, ma'am.
It's true. We all have learned so much, and we all are going to learn here at Ramratna.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are proud of you too, Nishita. The way you
Thank you.
have,
Thank you
it
so
can be
much,
seen,
ma'am.
it can be seen in your smile today, the confidence that you have gained over the years.
Yes, that is all because of you, ma'am. Okay. As we all know that the parents play the biggest role in shaping our life. So what life lessons have your parents given you?
They have taught me that I should never give up on anything despite of my results, and they stood with me, and that nothing is ended, that just one result cannot tell who you are. It is of
Yes.
course important, but it doesn't decide what are you going to be. And in NIS also, the that board is generally like core exams. They won't fail you, but also won't give you um, good marks at the same time. So
Yes.
like for me, maths was my strongest subject, and they gave me 30 out of 80 marks, which was very shocking to me. I was totally shocked when I got 30 marks out of 80. So my parents stood with me and tell that at least you are blessed that you have cleared 12th when you were supposed to do next year. So be happy with what you have achieved and move on with it.
Yes. So that is how you are today here, right? Because of that lesson, what you learned from your parents, because of that, you could overcome the like what problem you have faced before, right?
Exactly.
Yes. So, so what learning from school do you think have helped you to sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world?
As as we know that IGCSE offers conceptual clarity rather than rote learning. So I can clearly see now that I have edge over other students because they come from Maharashtra board background or CBSE board background where students are used to rote learning, and me being part of IGCSE Ramratna, I was understanding things conceptually, so it is giving a edge to me now over other students.
Okay. Okay, now let's take one small happy break. I'm going to have some rapid fire questions now. So, are you ready for the rapid fire round, Gopal?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, for this question, the other participants also can type the answer in the chat box. So, are you ready, Gopal?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay, so first question is describe yourself in 3 words.
Always looking for success. That's over.
Always looking for success. So, other participants can write their answer in the chat box if they wish. Describe yourself in 3 words. Okay. Next question. What would you do on Mars for fun? Fun.
What would you do?
On Mars planet for fun.
That's. Mm, I would explore the nature of Mars. It is unexplored till now, so I would explore it. That would be pretty fun.
Okay. What would you do with your 15 minutes of fame?
50 minutes of
Fame.
fame. I would talk to other famous people, especially to Elon Musk, and get to know him more specifically.
Okay. Where would you go if you were invisible?
Mm, Probably in Prime Minister's office.
What you will do after going there?
I would get to know what they do there because it's very secretive, so no one usually knows what do they do.
Okay. So you will visit their place.
Yeah,
Okay. Have you ever tried to do something you know that you would be really bad in that?
yeah. Once tried cooking.
Once you tried cooking.
Yes,
Okay, so how was it?
as I expected, bad.
Okay. Any nationality, what would it be?
Sorry,
If you could be any nationality, what would it be?
nationality,
Yes.
like religion-wise or what?
Not
Citizenship.
religion wise,
Citizenship.
Citizens. Okay,
citizenship.
citizenship. I'd be proudly Indian only.
You would be proudly Indian only. Okay. So here we finished with the rapid fire questions. So let's move on to the next question. Are you in touch with your school friends?
In 1 or 2 years, I talk to them very frequently.
Okay. How is the outside world different from the school?
In school, we used to get everything spoon feed, but in outside world, we have to look for the resources and get that all the things through ourselves, like notes and all things we used to get from school. And now in my chartered accountancy, we have to literally hunt for everything and get it ourselves. So it is very much different.
Yes. So, what is your message for your juniors?
The message for the juniors would be that they should never give up on something and grab the opportunity, or else it is like opportunity lost is opportunity gained by someone else. So it is you or someone else. So make sure it is you.
Yes, that's true. So, what are your best memories of school days?
The memories, best memories of the school day would be like each and every day of the school, because I remember my mom used to tell me that you guys are like that. Even if you are sick, you want to go to school, and we were on the other hand, we used to pull up the act and act like we are sick and miss the school. So every day of the school is really memorable.
Right, that's true. So, would you like to share some funny memories with us?
Like particularly when we stayed for the night camp, that night sky gazing camp. So we and all the our classmates and Ashok sir were in the same room and having pretty much fun. We played card games and many much other games, so it was pretty much fun.
Okay, okay. So, is Ashok sir over here? No, I think
No, Nishita ma'am.
sir is not here. Okay. What is the one thing about school that you miss the most?
I miss everything.
So you miss everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All the bonds we shared, all the beautiful days we had, everything.
Yes. So, if given a chance, would you want to come back to school for a day?
For sure, ma'am.
For sure. So, what will you do?
Sorry, what will?
What will you do after coming to the school?
First of all, interact with all the teachers I have lost touch with and get to know them more and how they have been doing.
Okay.
And
Okay.
roam around the school campus, see what are the changes, what things are still the same and perishable.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. So, how can alumni contribute to the school?
Right now, see, the main purpose of alumni is like they could be mentor for the other school, but right now we ourselves at a such delicate age, we ourselves could mentorship, but when we have achieved something like 21 or 22, we can surely mentor the students of our 9th grade students or 10th grade students, or even we could hook them up with our companies for some internship program or something like that, because it would be like very much fun for students to get to know what is the real deal outside in the real world. Because when we see people simply going for commerce or science, they don't know what actually they are going to do. But since
Yes.
they would have experience like in 9th grade or 10th grade itself what the real world is outside and what they generally do. Like suppose if I'm chartered accountant, I can hook them up with summer internship with the Deloitte, KPMG. So it would be really fun, and I think if I would have been part of such internship program, I would really cherish it.
Yes. So, Principal Ma'am would like to say anything on this point? Ma'am, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Nishu. I think ma'am lost the connection.
Okay, okay. Then we'll move to the
Uh,
next question.
Let me ping ma'am once.
Okay, okay. So, Gopal, what can school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni?
The school can, as one of this session is great in itself, because I don't see any other school doing such plausible things,
Yes.
and it is great that we can connect. And also like some months back there was program where we had come and planted trees and all.
Yes, yes,
That is
yes.
a nice way to still
I think dense
maintain that
forest
bond.
project. You're
Yes,
talking about
ma'am.
dense forest project. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how was your
Yeah.
experience?
Actually, I couldn't make it because my exams were clashing with those dates.
Okay.
But my friends
Okay.
were present over there, so they said you really missed something great.
Okay. Okay.
Very great to know that you all value these opportunities of coming to school, because we want our alumni to remain connected. These are your roots here in the school. You are going to carry the values, culture that you have learned from the school. And it's very important for us to come back to our roots, to remain in touch with our roots. So I'm
Yes.
happy to know that you could not come for some reason, but you appreciate that the school invites you. And I wish in the future you will always join us whenever we invite you for any such program. And
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
don't,
And
you
I
are
was even present for the RRIS month.
Yes, and you have contributed to MAN. Thank you and congratulations for doing this for your school.
It was a pleasure for me to join, be a part of RRIS, ma'am.
Thank you. Nishita, I think
Yes, ma'am.
sometime back I just got disconnected. There was something you were
Yes.
asking me.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I had asked Gopal that how can alumni contribute to the school. So he
Right.
has shared some of his ideas that he want to conduct internship with his juniors and all those things.
Oh,
So
that's
that's why,
great.
yes, yes. So that's why I wanted to ask you what is your opinion on that?
I think this is an absolutely fantastic idea. And Gopal, if you would later elaborate it to me once the school reopens, formally, then we
Yes,
will connect
ma'am.
and we'll see how we can integrate this idea in our system.
I was telling right now it is not possible because we are ourselves at an age where we could use a mentor. But soon, because we have achieved something like we are 21, 22, and so on, so we could mentor those students and hook them up with some great companies like KPMG, ENY, so they could really know what is the deal outside in the real world. Because right now, when I myself selected commerce after 10th, I didn't really knew what we are actually going to do and what science stream students are going to do. So if 9th, 10th itself they get to know what is the real experience from their eyes, what they get to know. So it would be really plausible for those students as well. So they could get a clear vision on what they have to achieve in the future life.
That is so true and relevant. I appreciate that you have shared this thought with us. We are also very keen to give an exposure to our children of the real world, the STEAM subjects that they study in school, how it actually applies in the real world. And I will definitely connect with you. I would like you to get back to me once the schools reopen, and we'll see how we can organize such sessions. Even we can have online sessions during the
Yes.
lockdown, during the pandemic, so we can connect. I'm sure somebody from the school will connect with you and understand if you all would like to conduct some sessions for our children.
Yes, ma'am, I would love that.
Thank you, Gopal. Wonderful idea.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Gopal. Gopal, did you ever get a chance to have breakfast with the principal, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Once in ninth grade, I had breakfast with principal ma'am. It was
Okay.
truly pleasurable, and it is something very unusual because you don't get to even see principal ma'am or talk with the principal. But we got a chance to have breakfast with our principal, ma'am, so it was really honorable as well as pleasurable.
So,
Okay.
Gopal,
Okay.
I hope you mean to say in other places you don't get to see or meet. In our school, people
Exactly,
see me every day.
exactly. That was the
They
point.
with me every day.
We have morning assembly, then dismissal.
Yes.
Thank you, Gopal. I also remember the breakfast we had together. You were always a quiet boy, but you always had a great substance in what you said. I always remember you that way.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So let's have some more rapid fire questions. Is that okay for you, Gopal?
Yes, ma'am, I would love to hear those questions and answer them.
Okay, sure. Okay. So the next question is, if you could swim in any liquid, what would it be and why?
I can't hear you properly.
If you could swim in any liquid, what would it be and why?
Any liquid,
Yes, yes.
I would be cold in this water because it is very natural and it can get
Okay.
anywhere and it is not like restricted to some occasions. Water can be present anywhere and everywhere.
Okay, that's fine. So, what have you done that you are most proud of?
As of now, my All India rank 43.
Okay, yeah, that's true. If you could change one thing about your looks, what would it be?
Mm, I would get myself a beard.
What? What? Can you come
Beard,
again?
beard.
Weird.
I would
Okay. Okay. So, chocolate or caramel?
chocolate.
Chocolate. What is better, certificates or experience?
Experience.
Quality of life or quantity of life?
Quality.
Quality of life. Okay. So here I'm finished with my question answer round. And if you would like to share anything about your teacher, so you can share now, Gopal.
I think I've covered everything I wanted to share, so that will be all.
Okay, so I hope you like the questions asked by me. You enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am, I enjoyed them very much.
Okay, so teachers over here would like to share any experience with Gopal. You can share it now. Anybody
Namaste,
would like to?
Gopal.
Namaste, ma'am.
Uh,
Namaste,
uh,
ma'am.
Namaste, Nishita. You're looking very beautiful, Nishita, and you did it
Thank
very
you so
well.
much. Thank you so much,
Ha-
ma'am.
How are you, Gopal?
Great, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm good. And it was so nice to connect to you after so many years. Thank you.
Yes.
And every school also very matured and responsible, very well. But the way you have answered today, I mean, I cannot imagine having so much of wisdom at this age. And the way you have taken everything what has come your way, you have been so positive. I remember the day when your 10th result was out, and I still remember that face of yours when you were so, yes, but you took everything so positively in your stride, and that one single small failure or that U grade, you did not allow that one grade to hamper your life. So your dedication towards your life, your work is something very commendable, and the credit goes to your parents also who have stood with you in all your difficult times, and the way you have come out of it so successfully. So be the same always, and I wish you all the success in life. Work with the same positivity, work with the same attitude, and I'm very sure you will go a long way in your life. God bless you and stay happy always, Gopal.
Thank you, ma'am. And I also remember that principal ma'am and you were also there for me when I got you. I remember principal ma'am calling to my mother and condemning her. So it was very great of principal ma'am also.
Okay, Gopal, all the
You're
best.
right, Gopal. There's nothing else great, when it's about our own child. We have a good
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
I'm not saying you can compare to your parents, but a teacher feels the same for the child. Always want the best, right? Just the way the parents want.
Thank you, ma'am.
Parents are an inspiration by themselves. The way they
Yes,
handle,
ma'am.
the way they have guided you and motivated you is so inspiring even for me. Please give my regards to them.
For sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You said very well about Gopal, very correctly.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, anybody else would like to share their experience with Gopal?
Uh, yeah, Nishita ma'am. Yeah, Usha ma'am. Yeah, I hope you're able
Namaste,
to hear me.
Namaste, Usha
Yeah,
ma'am.
lots of connection. Yeah, namaste. Nishita,
Ma'am, your voice
you
is
are
not
so
clear
comfortable.
actually.
Yeah, I know today there is lots of connection issue. Is it okay fine now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now we
Hello.
can hear you. Yes, ma'am.
Uh, yeah, Nishita, you have done really wonderful well today. You are
Thank you.
comfortable interviewing. And
Thank you
Gopal,
so much.
namaste. How are you?
Namaste, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, Gopal. Yeah, namaste. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How
Yeah,
are
I
you?
mean, yes, I remember. Yeah, I'm fine. So I always remember you as a quiet child, and I know I never thought you, but then yes, I am connected to most of your batch, like being there right from the beginning. So I have seen you, and today you have answered so wonderfully. Like I was just amazed by what I mean. Your answers, like so. Uh, Grounded and so like poised, you have answered so well, and yes, I agree with Smita ma'am. I could see so much of positivity. So work in the same manner with full positivity. Just remaining focused on your goal. So I wish you all the best for your future. God bless you. And we are very like I'm very proud of you that you are for whatever you have achieved till now. So all the best, dear Gopal. All the best to you.
Thank you, ma'am. So kind words from you.
Thank you so much, Usha ma'am. So, anybody else would like to speak?
Thank you, Nishita.
Namaste. This is Dhanashri,
Namaste, Dhanashri
Namaste,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, everyone. Namaste, Gopal.
Namaste, ma'am.
Uh, Gopal, as far as I remember, you're always a silent worker and you're very intelligent, but you will never show. And today, I was observing you. Just you mentioned that you would like to be in water when Nishita ma'am asked you about a liquid. You said you would like to be in liquid because it's natural. And today, actually, when I was observing you, I really found you are so natural. Nowhere you were showing something or boasting something, and your answers were so natural, and everywhere in each and every answer, and your expressions also were very natural, and always be like that, and all the best to you in your life. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dhanashri ma'am. Yes, Asha ma'am, you can speak now.
Namaste Gopal, Namaste Ishita ma'am, Namaste
Namaste,
Principal
ma'am.
ma'am.
Namaste, Asha ma'am. Asha ma'am, we can't hear you. Asha ma'am, are you there?
And Nishita ma'am, I think she lost the connection. Let me ping her.
Uh, yes, yes, yes. So meantime, somebody else can speak about Gopal.
Hello. His friends can speak. I
Yes,
think we
ma'am.
have Aditya Khandelwal here. Then some other students. Pratik Patil is here. Any one of you would
Yes.
like to share your experience with him or what to do about Gopal? Okay, no problem. Gopal, if I could ask you, which what do you think is the strength of our school?
I prefer that our school prefer concept over rote learning, so that is very much impressive. Because in every other school, out of 9 out of 10 schools believe in rote learning. First, you learn what you have there in textbook and then vomit in the exam paper. That's all. So that doesn't let you achieve anything, and it is not really an education. It's merely rote learning.
That is so true. I would also like to know if you have any suggestions for the school to improve.
Not to improve, it is already very much at its peak, but I would really love to see entrepreneurship as a subject in our school, because for at our age I could see what would have been important to me if I've been studied entrepreneurship. It would really help me now and my fellow peers who are currently or they are planning to do a startup. So it gives an edge over everything else, entrepreneurship, and entrepreneurship is not like limited to any particular field. It is like someone want to be an artist, they can be an artist, and through their entrepreneurship skills they can monetize through it. So entrepreneurship is basically monetization of your hobbies. So entrepreneurship as a subject in school would be very much impressive also.
Great. I think you can be a suitable mentor for our students to get into entrepreneurship. And I believe the commerce curriculum that Cambridge offers and what our students are studying, it definitely has a segment on entrepreneurship, and our teachers are dealing with it. But it would be great to involve our own seniors, guiding our students on it, and maybe doing some contest or something, because I have seen our own teachers also involving children for such activities where they have to think of starting a new company, and how would they plan for it, the business plan for it, and everything. So it would be great to have you someday, examining these children, talking to them, seeing what they prepared, participating in their activities. How would that be? What do you
That
think?
would be an that would be an honor for me to be and mentor those that students. And also school can set up like some small on this startup fund where suppose any alumni has a great idea, they can pitch to school, and if school likes it, they can fund in. Did you know that Google was funded by Stanford University? That is why Stanford University is so wealthy today. Stanford was seed funder for Google. They have given the Larry Page and the other founder project of search engine, and from that they see the potential through it, and they funded Google, and now it is most valuable company, second most valuable company in the world.
That's so insightful. And thank you for giving this idea to us. I'm sure we can some great idea which does not require too much of investment from the school, but to boost the confidence of our children, we can definitely do something like that. I
Yes,
would
it
like
is.
you to plan and we can work on it.
Yes, it is good to know that if suppose you have an idea, you would think who would fund me. I have to hunt for investors. But if at the back of my mind, if you know that school is a investor itself and it can fund you if your idea is really profitable and something which could be work on, so it is really, and it also motivates you to go towards innovation.
Very true. Because sometimes funds become a barrier, it becomes a limitation for trying out your wonderful ideas.
Yes, ma'am.
I appreciate, and you seem to be so mature. You are all set to start your life in the commercial field. You seem to be completely into it, and we give all our best wishes to you. We have made a note of what all you said. I would like the IGCSE coordinator and the vice principal, Dr. Smita, to make a note of it and to arrange for sessions with commerce students. Also, talk about whatever you said with with our commerce teacher, Miss Deepti. Do you know Deepti, ma'am?
I the one who conducted MUN.
Yes, yes. She's
Yes,
still
I
guiding
know.
us.
Yes, I know her.
Yeah, so she is taking care of commerce, these subjects. So
Okay.
we will see to it that we speak to her and convey your thoughts with her, and we will plan to have one interaction with you, student interaction with you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. That would be an honor for me.
Great, Gopal. I'm so proud of you. Today you are so proud. I feel like, showing to the whole world, look at our child. Look how he is. Learn from him. And I think for a teacher, for a
Thank you,
student,
ma'am.
for anybody who God bless you all. How much like for you and love for you. God bless you. You all
Thank you, ma'am.
very hard.
Thank you, ma'am.
Uh, Thank you, ma'am. Anybody who else would like to speak? Pratik, Aditya Kandelwal would like to share your experience with Gopal.
Okay, Nishita ma'am, Asha ma'am will not be able to join because she lost the connection at her place. She's trying from a
Okay,
mobile, but it's not
okay,
happening.
okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank you. So, Gopal, how was your overall experience with Back to the Root session?
It was very much pleasurable and wonderful to be a part of this session.
So, have you enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am, and also connecting with principal ma'am, Smita ma'am, and all other teachers after so long was very much good, and they are very much appreciative towards me. So it is good to know that.
Okay. I hope I have provided the justice for the excitement what you had before joining the session.
You have overachieved my power.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Yes,
much,
that is right.
Gopal.
I would like to say something here because Gopal was excited and Nishita ma'am was nervous. It was vice versa.
Yes, I was very much nervous actually. So I
Sometimes it's said that nervousness gives you that energy to prepare better. So
yes,
it
ma'am.
sometimes helps. There's
Yes,
nothing
ma'am.
wrong with it. Nervous energy is said to help us. Only
Yes,
thing is, we should not let it get into our head and stop us from doing things.
right, ma'am. That's true, ma'am. Actually.
You did great, Nishita.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think here we end up with the session. Gopal, thank you so much for joining us today. And we had a wonderful time with you, Gopal. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Even I had a wonderful time.
And all the best for your future and all the best for your second level of CA exam also. Prepare well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Yes, all
much.
the best, Gopal, and thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, Nishita ma'am. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
ma'am,
ma'am.
for
Thank you,
having me.
everybody. Thank you, Principal ma'am. Thank you, Vice Principal ma'am. And thank you, all my dear friends.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
All
Bye
the
bye.
best,
Best to all.
Gopal, and congratulations,